Yo, what's up guys, today I'm playing Subway.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Okay, the first number is 2. Oh my god, now you gotta remember all again. You start. 3. Yeah. Okay, I think the first number is 4. 4.
Oh my god! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
6. Ah, stop letting me die. 8. Okay guys, so the first number is 8. I know that. I know that. What? They don't know. 4.
Oh my god. I'm going to skip this.
0.
Be gentle. Parenting doesn't always work.
0. 2.
That gentle parenting doesn't work.
2. 2.
Don't say no.
Bro, why do I keep dying on the tree? 5. Four. 6. 6. What do you mean? What I have to? 0. 1. 0. 1. Wish I don't die here. Six. 0. 1. 6. No, I was so close. Jeff, are you done with the video? Okay. 7. 6. 7. 6. Get out, bro. 5. 5. 5. 5. Jeff, the number is 5. 5. I think it's 5. 5. Yeah.
Wow. Oh my god. No eyes.
5. 5.
Now I'm gonna watch this. Oh wait, no, this is the same video.
5. 5.
5 5. This is honestly kind of crazy though.
Well, that was useless. 3. 3. 4. 3. 4.
actually used like a good. Oh man, I stopped recording. Whatever.
Okay, guys, the code is 340.
Might as well show the
3407.
young video.
Ah, I was so close. I could see the end, bro. 3. Bruh. 8. What the heck do you mean? 6. 6. Ooh. Wow. 2. 2 died. 1. This guys, this level is Mission Impossible 4. 4-2. Okay, guys, let me write that down. 4-2. What the heck? You know what? You're gonna write the code for me.
What is it?
First number is 6. Dead.
6 dead.
Wait, restart. The number is oh my! Don't write that.
0 dead. 4.
Okay. Ah, I died again.
You know what? I'm going to make this video for kids. This is honestly important.
5. 4. 5-4. Died.
5-4 died. Okay.
Okay. 6.
5-4 died. 6.
Okay, 6. And the first number is 6.
6 died.
What's the first number? 3.
3 died.
3. 7. 2. 372. Ah! Why is this mission impossible? Died. Well, 5 died. 6. You should time it perfectly.
Man, I don't want to know.
6. 6.
6.
First two numbers is 6, 7. Oh yeah, you're trying to juke me.
Move. Move.
No.
Move.
Shut up! 1. Okay, the first one is 1. 1 5.
Yeah, you ain't gonna make it.
Okay, 1 5. 151.
151.
Okay, wait for it.
Nothing.
6.
Jin is actually locked in.
Nothing. No, thank you.
Nothing.
5. I was so close. If you're playing, I'm gonna make fun of you also. Come on, can you play it for me? 1. Let's see who can beat this level first.
I don't think I could beat the level out.
1. Okay, the first number is 1.
You know what? I'm gonna just play 7 for chapter 3.
1. Second number is 2.
I'm gonna skip to chapter 3 now.
1, 2, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 2. You know I'm gonna be chapter 2. Even though it's 4.
No recording. It refuses to work.
4. Guys, it's harder than it looks. I can't look back. I'm not stupid. 8. Okay. 8.
Guys, today we'll be playing chapter 4, chapter 3. And don't ask me why we go chapter 2.
This fucking puzzle again?
7. 8, 7, 2.
Don't ask me why.
Okay, guys, 8, 7, 2. Died.
Am I supposed to draw or something?
8.
Oh, come on. Oh, it's daytime.
0.
What is it? What the? Okay, let's go.
Okay, guys, 8, 0.
Who the heck are you?
8, 0, 7. 8, 0, 7. Guys, 8, 0, 7.
Help me.
8, 0, 7, 8. I just need a last number if I'm correct.
Man, I hate these Dumbo puzzles.
7, 8, 0. Nothing.
What am I supposed to do?
Let's go.
What is the whole thing?
8, 0. 8, 0, 7, 8, 0. Let's go! Jen, I passed it! What the what?
What happened?
Looks like a wagon's grave.
For some reason, was that Kermit? For some reason, I feel like I should not press these buttons.
Hey, why is it snowing?
Kermit. Oh, wait. What if it's matching
What
Kermit
snowing?
with the other Kermit?
I think I passed something. I think it's kind of raining rice parcels.
That's snow.
It looks like rice. I want to eat. I'm hungry now. I got my Also, where's the door at? Did I enter through another door?
I think you have to go through something. Not sure. Just Kermit. Coffee.
Will this thing change? Hey, another door! Oh, it's a different door now!
Okay, I knew this was a matching puzzle.
Oh, so I'm supposed to... Wait, let me go back there.
No! Why? Why the chicken? Why was
Go
there a
back in
chicken?
the smoking area.
Looks like a wagon's graveyard.
Correct.
Oh, where the heck?
What is this?
Why are there white bluey there? I don't even know who that is.
I just got cooked by a chicken. Kermit the Frog.
Oh, I get it. I'm gonna set
A cock.
Oh my god, this is gonna take a while. If I'm correct, this is going going to take a while.
What the heck is that?
Where the door is at?
I think Mike Wazowski.
Mike
Looks like
Wazowski?
Wazowski. Like here or something? No. Is it Mike Wazowski? That's Shrek.
Any new thing?
Okay, grave. Another grave.
Anything that's new? Like a new door?
All the way to the end. Okay, I need to somehow find another track. Oh, okay. Wait,
Am I supposed to spray something? Because I don't see any extras anywhere.
put one of these. Okay, another Shrek. I remember this Shrek. It was
Oh, I
matching to
found
this one.
him! So, anything?
Oh, it's this one. Okay. Oh, second key. Nice. What's this one?
Wait, I want to see if I can do something. Parkour!
Kermit?
Boy.
Is the Kermit matching with this one? This is awesome. This is a weird frog, which doesn't look handsome.
Anything new here?
With this one, I think?
Nothing at the top on the wagons. I'm even going to use my ultra parkour skills.
Uh-oh, chicken. Uh-oh.
I'm even going to use my Omega Cool.
Looks like I cannot match those today.
I am way too dumb.
Looks like a wagon's
This one? Nope. What does this one give?
This is
Like
not
Wazowski.
how I did it.
Another band.
Hey, I don't remember. Oh my god.
Okay, so we can't match coffins with coffins, guys. Or else there's gonna be a
It's on my
chicken.
Donkey Kong.
Hell no.
Oh, and you left? Oh my god! Where's the bold beauty band? I'm trying to scroll down, so...
Oh my god. Why is there always chickens?
Help me! Where am I? Where am I?
You're falling off the map.
Am I in the Matrix?
Yes.
What's happening?
Looks like a wagon's graveyard.
Wait, what if a grave? No, hell no.
At least now I
Yeah, there's a chicken chasing me. There's a chicken chasing me. Ow. Okay, guys, you cannot match anything at all. You cannot match any single grave. Not a single grave.
Looks like a wagon's graveyard.
Damn it. Oh, fuck. Nice. I think this will be straight.
Alright, let's go to the next one.
Okay, this is a coffin. Let's wish my luck isn't that bad. Okay. Mike Wazowski. What is this? Okay, a coffin. Great. That's great. Kermit the Frog. Okay, hell no.
Is there anything new here other than just escaping the Matrix in this?
Jad,
Yeah.
you're just lucky you can't play chapter 3.
Why?
I'm stuck with the graveyard. This graveyard has a bunch of coffins and you cannot match a single coffin. If you match a single coffin, you are gonna have a chicken wagon chasing you. Then we have to disable that one. Now what is this? A strip.
Oh no. This fucking puzzle again. Where's horror in this game?
There's different biomes. And I did 2 of them, so I have.
Mike was out.
I get it now. I get it. I have to go through like every biome and finish all the.
Kermit, I think I saw Kermit somewhere here. No,
Why is there so much water? Am I gonna? Oh my god.
Kermit, no.
Is that rush from like doors?
No, not this one.
And robots?
Not this one. This
Wait,
one.
why is it flooding? Oh my god, I have to speed run it before I basically just die.
Oh! Found strip.
Where's horror in this game?
Let's put our first key in. Let's try not to match a single coffin. Because I don't want to match a single coffin.
That's right, that was that.
Why is there a long chicken now? Why did I keep dying?
You know, this is also kind of hard. I'm trying not to drown here.
Well, I keep getting cooked by the chicken.
Looks like a wagon's graveyard.
Oh, dang it. Oh, wait, I did make it. I never have to go in there again. No, give me a new biome. Please, I don't. Hey, did I just.
That's a coffin.
Hey, what's happening?
That's nothing. Woo! Woo! Woo!